This is my recipe for today. This is orange chicken with fried rice. Let's eat lunch, everyone. Breakfast and lunch, brunch. Assalamualaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah for another day. Today I'm going again to share you or make another recipe. So these are all the ingredients. Half cup of all-purpose flour. You can use also third glass flour. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, optional, and I have slices here of chicken breast, and I have 1 whole egg, so I separate yellow and egg white. So first we have to mix all this one here in flour, and then we have to mix it well. So I have to keep some here for coating. And now it's time to put this egg white and this chicken. Now we can use hand by mixing it. And then this is ready to fry. Now we have to fry now this one. Now coated with white flour. What you call this? All-purpose flour. So hot, already hot oil. Now we can put now. Because oil is very, very hot. This is already fried. So we have to take out now from oil. And we have to put here in strainer. Let's start again for another recipe. So this is already the chicken I fried, and 2 pieces of orange. I already squeezed it. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you have brown sugar, then you can use it. Ginger and garlics, and I will put also 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of ketchup or tomato paste. And I have this toppings, coriander leaves. Now oil is already hot. Now we can put first this ginger. And then this minced garlic. And this salt. And sugar. And ketchup or tomato paste. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And now we can put this orange juice. Sauce is already paste. Now we have to put now this fried chicken. And then we have to mix well. Now we can put this toppings, parsley or coriander leaves. Now we have to turn off now the flame. Let's fry rice because I have leftover, so we have to put this garlic. As you can see, the garlic, lots of garlic, abundance of garlic. Now we have to brown this garlics, and then we have to put this rice, and I have also this egg yolk. So I have to mix here also. If you can put one whole egg, then it's no problem. Now we can put now this egg yolk. And also this rice. And salt, 1 teaspoon salt. And I will add also some soy sauce. I will add also chives of onions, spring onions, and coriander leaves or parsley. Or if you have peas or cubes of carrots, you can add also. Then we have to mix. Now we can turn off now the flame because this is already fried. Let's eat, everyone. Now we have to taste now my recipe for today. This is orange chicken with fried rice. Bismillahi wala barakatillah. Yummy, yummy. The taste is good, not too much sweet because I add 1 tablespoon of sugar or brown sugar, and then combination of mild sour because I also add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and then plus juice of orange. So it's okay, the taste is good. And if you want to add more sauce or gravy, you can increase the juice of orange. But I put only 2 oranges juice. It's like in Filipino we call this if it's like escabeche in if like fish. Ayan o. Or the taste is like tocino. Chicken tocino. My langga I don't like.